Hey, iOS 18.4 users! We've got some exciting news for those of you looking to jailbreak iOS 18.4. Yes, you heard that right. The Palera1n Jailbreak is now fully compatible with the iOS 18.4 RC version. That's right. Now, iOS 18.4 users can use Palera1n to jailbreak their devices and install Sileo as their package manager. Even Michael, a key jailbreak developer, confirmed that iOS 18.4 is obviously still broken, meaning the exploits needed for jailbreaking are still working. Want to know how to jailbreak iOS 18.4 RC with Palera1n? Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, open up your Safari browser. You can do this on any iOS device running iOS 18.4 RC now. In the search bar, type in jailbreak iOS 18.4 rcpengu8.com and hit search. Look for the highlighted link from the search results and tap on it. This will take you to the jailbreak information page where you'll find everything you need for the jailbreak. Scroll down the page until you find the Palera1n Virtual Jailbreak option. You'll see a button that says Download Palera1n Virtual Jailbreak. Tap on it. And you'll be redirected to a new page where you can download Jailbreak Pro, which is hosting the Palera1n Jailbreak. Now, download the profile by allowing the download in your settings. Once the profile is installed, you can open the Jailbreak Pro app right from your home screen. Once you open Jailbreak Pro, look for the Palera1n Jailbreak. Tap on it. Now, hit the Install button located at the top right corner of your screen. Once the installation is complete, you should see two apps installed on your iPhone: Palera1n iPadOS and Terminal. Next, open the Palera1n iPadOS app. Here, you'll need to search for the matching code for your iPhone model. Once you find it, copy the code. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Terminal app. Paste the code you just copied into the terminal. After that, hit the Done button and wait for the process to be completed. You'll see a Download button. Tap on it to download the Palera1n Jailbreak. Congrats! You've successfully installed Palera1n. Open up the Palera1n app, and from there, you can install Sileo as your package manager to explore all the amazing features that come with jailbreaking your iPhone. Sileo gives you the latest jailbreak repos, sources, and other options to take your iPhone to the next level. And that's it! You've just jailbroken your iPhone running iOS 18.4 RC with Palera1n. I hope this tutorial helped you out without any issues. Now it's time to enjoy all the cool features jailbreaking offers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one. Bye.